Here we go. One fall to a finish. Pinfall, submission, and disqualifications are all in play. Oh, man, is he fired up. We're in the feeling out process here. Who's going to get the advantage and maintain control? For the aggression to escalate quickly in this one. That'll send you to the dentist. Oh, gosh, right down on the kidneys. It's an amazing atmosphere in this arena tonight. Watch out here. That'll make your eyes water. WrestleMania is such a huge event. Watch this! And now, looking to put him away. And again, the mind games are played. Oh my gosh! The face! This has been a great matchup. A wild-eyed counter by the Maniac. The Natural headed to the top turnbuckle. Watch out! Oh, and he eats the canvas. What great action we've had in this match. He got it! Whoa, whoa! It might be time to run. And he's toast. And it's getting out of there. We saw it all in this match, King. And those repeated blows to the skull have definitely taken their toll. I don't know if the head was intensely focused on, but it definitely took a lot of damage. Oh, no! Good grief. Now that's what I call a move. What? Does he have his eyes open? You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men. Uh-oh. And the pain has to be shooting through his face. Countered by the Maniac. What a collision. This is what WrestleMania is all about, ladies and gentlemen. The passion, leaving your body and heart and soul in the ring. This. Man, he almost had his head taken off there. Man, a ferocious blow. He's got evil intentions. Oh, did you see the head whip back? Oh, nice counter. Watch it. What a huge move. Oh, man, is he fired up? Hey, he's going for it again. What a move by the Natural. And he gets to the ropes. And he kicks out. That kick almost took his head off. And the sound of human flesh on the ground echoes around the arena. You saw that one coming. Oh, wow. Watch out, and there's the super kick. Oh, look out! Spine buster. That'll take its toll. Watch it. Oh, man. How much damage did that cause to the neck? He almost took his head off with that lariat. If he keeps delivering clotheslines like that, he's going to break his arm. We know what this is. What diabolical things are going through that mind right now? When you get in control like this, you want to throw everything at your opponent. That could be what we're seeing here. The Natural with the advantage after that exchange. Great athletic ability on display there. He's in a bad spot here. Oh my gosh! The Natural might know every counter to every move. Hey! Spine buster! Oh, wow. Huge move. Not this. And there's that disgusting fist right to the eyes. Uh-oh. Look at this kick. Oh, man. That's one position you don't want to be in. And here's some more trash talking. That'll make your eyes water. No, cut off at the last second. Oh, did you see the force behind that? Oh, he's on the move again. He sees it. Oh, what a smack. Great counter. I don't like how slow he is to react right now. No! Wow, how good is this guy? He plants him down with authority. Uh-oh. He just spit that liquid right in his face. He's defenseless here. Lifted and now placed upside down. Tied up in the turnbuckle there. He's going back outside. Look out! What a move! Can he capitalize? He's heading back up. Uh-oh. What a landing. Big move coming. A super kick. Oh, man. Did you see their head snap back? Watch it. That's it. He's done. Wow, what an incredible super kick. And there are the ropes. That wasn't even close to 3. Look at this. Oh, my. What thunderous impact. Oh, this isn't good. The Maniac got it.
Really? One of these super slow things?
Now taking a moment to feel those ribs, and King, it appears that there may be some internal damage. Hooking the way. 1, 2, 3, no!
Fuck off.
Watch it, watch it. That's it. He's
We're
out.
done.
He's
Get
begging for it. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Incoming! Oh, no! He scored with that one. Right to the kisser. Ow! Into the spine buster. He's still not through. Oh, gosh, there's no telling how much damage that did. Here we go. Oh, my gosh, he just spit something right in his eyes. Right on the bridge of the nose. He thinks he has it. 1, 2, 3. The natural win.